Don't know if you can hear now. Sheltering under a tree because it's absolutely pissing down. Sounds like a plane coming over. It's absolutely pissing down out here. There's a plane going over, but it's absolutely throwing it down. So I'll take this shelter under this tree. Wait for it to stop. It's going in the direction I need to go. Follow the plane, eh? Back to Southend. It's got his landing gear down there at Southend Airport, so. But waiting for the rain to subside at least a little bit and carry on back home. I've got in front of this house and took refuge under the tree. Well, there you go, you see my bike. Well, there you go.